Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore state amended returns with TaxSlayer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring state amended returns in TaxSlayer, first, log into your TaxSlayer account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section on the dashboard. Locate and select the Prior Year Returns option from the menu. Look for the year of the return you need to amend in the list provided. Click on the appropriate year to open that specific return. Review the existing information to ensure you are working with the correct return. Next, find the Amend Return option, typically located under the Tax Return Summary. Select Amend Return to initiate the amendment process. Carefully follow the prompts to make the necessary changes to your tax information. After editing, validate your inputs to confirm all data is accurate. Once verified, proceed to the State Tax section of the amended return. Select the appropriate state for which you are amending your return. Make sure to enter any new state-specific information required for the amendment. Review all changes made to ensure compliance with state tax regulations. After confirming all entries are accurate, proceed to submit the amended return. Follow any further prompts for e-filing or printing depending on your state's requirements. Finally, keep track of your amended return status from the TaxSlayer dashboard. This completes the process of restoring your state amended returns with TaxSlayer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.